Students, here we are going to discuss about your chapter number first, remaining part, fundamental forces in nature. We know there are four basic fundamental forces: gravitation force, second electromagnetic force, third strong nuclear force, and fourth one is weak forces. Now we discuss about these forces in detail. As we know, gravitation force is act between two masses. It is a long range force. Its properties are given. Long range force do not require medium. It is the weakest force in nature. All particles in this universe exert gravitation force of attraction over each other. As we know, every particle has some mass. Suppose there are two particles. As you see here, there are two particles having mass m1, m2. They are separated by distance r. The hence force of gravitation directly proportional to their mass is inversely proportional to square of distance between them. When we proportionality mark is remove, then g come here, which is gravitation constant, F equal to g m1 m2 upon r square. In lower classes we discuss about these forces. Then F become g m1 m2 upon r square, where value of g is constant 6.667 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter per second square, that is Newton meter square per kilogram square. It always obey inverse square law. As you can see here, it is an attractive force because mass is always attractive. It exists between two mass particles. Same electromagnetic force is just like gravitation force, but it exists between two charged particles, where they are same charge or separate charge, different charge. In same charges, they are repulse each other, and we know opposite charge attract each other. These are also long range forces. They do not require any medium. They are strong force. As gravitation force is the weakest force, electromagnetic force is 10 to the power 36 times stronger than gravitation force. Not most strong, but very strong as compared to gravitation force. Next are strong nuclear forces. It is the strongest force exist in this world or exist in this nature, having very small range around 10 to the power minus 15. As you can see here, it is a nucleus. There is atom and it is a nucleus, and as the name indicates, nuclear force, it exists in nuclear, and we know that there are proton and electron inside the nucleus. So it exert a force between proton, neutron, and proton. Then force between proton, and neutron is always equal. It do not depend on charge. For same proton it is repulsing. For neutron it is attractive. So it binds these subatomic particles inside the nucleus. It is the 100 times stronger than electromagnetic force, or you can say that force is 10 to the power 38 times stronger than gravitation force. 10 to the power 30 times stronger than gravitation force. Last force is weak nuclear force. It appears only in certain nuclear processes, beta decay. As you know that they are radioactive elements. When disintegrate, 3 decay process mainly occur: alpha decay, beta decay, and gamma decay. In beta decay, atomic number remain as such, but atomic mass increase by 1. These are strong nuclear range force, short range around the same as nuclear force, 10 to the power minus 15 meter, stronger than gravitation force but weaker than electromagnetic force. They somewhere exist between gravitation and electromagnetic fields, and they arise due to interaction of neutrino with the particles. Neutrino is a particle which exists in this force, weak nuclear force, and their strongest power is given as we can hear there. Nuclear force is more strongest than electromagnetic. Nuclear force 10 to the power 2 stronger than electromagnetic, 10 to the power 13 than weak force, and 10 to the power 38 than gravitational force. But short range, most short range nuclear and weak are short range. Gravitation and electromagnetic force are long range force. Thanks everyone.